Hi, this is John. Thanks for calling. I'm not here at the moment, so please leave a message and I'll call you back.
Hi, John. This is Marina Silva calling from Old Time Toys. Your colleague Alex gave me your phone number. She said you can help me. I need some information on your new products. Could you please call me when you are back in the office? My phone number is 0208 655 7621. Also, can you please email me your new brochure and information about your prices? My email address is Marina, that's MARINA .Silva, SILVA, at oldtime-toys.com. Thanks a lot. I look forward to hearing from you.